Welcome back, everyone. I am the small engine mechanic, and if you're a regular to the channel, you will notice that I use an ultrasonic cleaner when I have to clean most carburetors. Most people don't want to spend a couple of $100 to $1,000+ on one. On this channel, we try to save you money by teaching, improvising, and finding affordable solutions. Today, we are going to take a ride to our local Goodwill thrift store. I found what I was looking for, a 6-cup rice cooker and food steamer. Buying from your local thrift store helps create jobs and saves you money at the same time. So, let's get this paid for and head back to the shop. First, I'll test it to make sure it works. If too much water boils out, it will turn itself off. For our test subject, I'm going to use a faulty carburetor that has seen better days. It is currently caked in dirt, so I'll use some compressed air to remove the heaviest deposits. But first, I'll fill the water container, add some degreaser, and turn it on to heat up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more small engine repair tips. I'll use a thermostat to keep the temperature around 130 degrees. Now, it's time to blow the deposits off the carburetor. Although I used compressed air, you can see there is still a lot of dirt on it. So, I'll disassemble it for cleaning. The temperature is good, and the power is off. Now, I just need to drop the pieces into the water for cleaning. We will wait for about an hour. An hour later, the water looks like mud. I'm using compressed air to dry off the parts. The body of the carburetor came out very nice, with all the varnished fuel gone. Now, let's check the bowl. The bowl also came out very well. All the parts are clean. For an $8 carburetor cleaner, I would say it is well worth it.
It looks like another one is good to go.